Hello guys, this is the voice of me Shajib. Welcome to this channel.
So guys, remember that to enable the secure boot in your PC from the BIOS, you actually have to restart your PC several times and you have to go to BIOS and make the changes as I'm going to show you now. So remember that don't do any extra changes to the BIOS, just do what I'm going to do. So jump into the video.
So first you have to restart your PC, and then before starting the Windows you have to press delete button until the BIOS appears. And now you have to see if it is in easy mode, you have to click advanced mode, then go to settings and then go to boot and then select UEFI and then go to settings, advanced, Windows OS configuration, and then go to UEFI, then secure boot. And then now I'm trying to enable this one, but this is showing that some platform key is needed. To remove this we have to click enroll all factory default keys and now press yes and then press F10 and then yes. So it will enroll that key. Again we have to go to the BIOS, so you have to press delete button and then it will go to the BIOS again. And now we have to do the things again. Go to settings, boot, make it UEFI, and then go to settings, advanced, Windows OS configuration, then make it UEFI and then go to secure boot, and then you have to enable this one, but you will face this thing will come. That means CSM is set up still. Now you have to reboot, then the UEFI will enable. So now you have to again F10, press F10 and then go to yes. Then the CSM will turn into UEFI and now it will enable the secure boot. Again we have to go to the BIOS and now press delete and then go to settings and then go to advanced, Windows OS configuration, and then go to secure boot and now enable this one. This will 100% enable now, and right now press F10 and click yes. I will again check is it enabled or not, so I'm going to again the BIOS, so press delete. Again I'm going to settings, advanced, Windows OS configuration, secure boot. Now you can see it is enabled. Now I'm going to press F10 and go to the Windows. Let me see the Windows is normally booting or not. This time I'm not going to the BIOS, I will just normally turn on the Windows. So it is loading now. So here it is guys, my Windows is perfectly loading in secure mode and I already installed the Windows 11. I will share a video how you can install the insider preview version. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and comment below is this trick work for you or not. Signing out, bye.